Hello friends, welcome in my video classroom. Friends, today I teach one question and it is very important question. Our question is obtain equation of motion for constant acceleration using method of calculus. Okay? Friends, according to definition of acceleration, we can write down acceleration A is equal to change in velocity upon time. Means acceleration A is equal to dv upon dt. This dt is move left hand side. So we can write down dv is equal to a dt. A dt move right hand side and dv is move left hand side. So here we can write down dv is equal to a dt. Suppose we assume one particle is moved. When time t is equal to 0, at that time its velocity, initial velocity is v0. But after at time t, its velocity is v. So friends, now we take integration. Means by integrating both sides this equation. So we can write down here integration v0 to v dv is equal to integration 0 to t a dt. Friends, we learn integration of dv is equal to v according to our formula. Here v0 is a lower limit and v is a upper limit. Means v0 is a lower limit and v is a upper limit. Means one type of lower limit, lower value, and v is a upper value. For understand. Same way, here a is a constant and integration of dt is equal to t. Its lower limit is 0, means lower value is 0, and upper limit is a t. So after integration, now we substitute value of upper limit and lower limit. So friends, first of all we put value of upper limit. Means instead we can write down v. V is the upper limit. Instead we can write down v. Okay, so here we get v. And between them upper limit and lower limit, now we take always negative sign. Means negative. Again, instead we can write down lower limit v0. Means we get v minus v0. And right hand side, a as it is. Instead t we can write down upper limit t. Means at minus. It is not available here, but for understand, we can write down here a into 0. Means a into 0 means 0. Okay. So here we get this v0 move right hand side. So v is equal to v0 plus at. Friends, this is a first number equation. Equation for constant acceleration. Okay. So v is equal to v0 plus at. And this is the equation number 2. Look here. Here, according to definition of the velocity, its velocity is change in displacement upon time. Means dx is a displacement and dt is time. So dx upon dt is equal to v. This dt is move right hand side. So we can write down dx is equal to v dt. Friends, now again we assume here when time t is equal to 0, So initial position of particle is x0, and at time t, at that point, its displacement is a x. So now we take integration about this equation, where to where? So x0 to x, and here time is 0 to t. So integration of dx is equal to x. Here x0 is lower limit and then x is a upper limit. Friends, here instead we can write down from equation number 1, instead v0 plus at from equation number 1, and dt is as it is. Okay. Now we substitute a value of upper limit and lower limit. So instead x we can write down upper limit x minus sign, and instead x we can write down x0 lower limit. So here left hand side we get x minus x0. But and right hand side, here v0 is multiplied with dt and at is also multiplied dt. So v0 is a constant and integration dt is equal to t plus a constant t dt, and integration t is t square by 2, means we get totally solution v0t plus 1 by a t square by 2. Lower limit is 0 and upper limit is t. So friends, now we substitute upper value of upper limit and lower limit. Means here instead t we can write down t, and instead t we can write down again t. So we get v0t plus 1 by 2 at square minus instead t we value lower limit is value is 0, we substitute, and here t is equal to, now we take 0. So totally answer is 0. So here suppose now we want to write it v0t plus 1 by 2 at square minus 0. Otherwise we neglect it. This x0 is, now we move right hand side. So we get x is equal to x0 plus v0t plus 1 by 2 at square. This is a second number equation of motion, and now we get third equation according to definition of acceleration. Look here again, definition of acceleration: a is equal to dv upon dt. Friends, right hand side multiply and divide dx. Here dx multiply and divide by dx. Okay, but according to definition of velocity, dx upon dt is equal to, we can write down v. So acceleration a is equal to, instead dx upon dt is equal to v, and dv upon dx as it is we can write down. This dx is multiply left hand side. So we get a dx is equal to v dt. But here v dt is move left hand side and a dx is move in right hand side. So we get this type of equation. Here we assume when displacement x0, at that time velocity of the particle is v0, and at position x its velocity is v. So now we take integration v0 to v, v dv is equal to x0 to x, a dx. Okay friends, according to our formula, x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. The integration of the v dv is equal to v square by 2. Where to where? v0 to v. and a is a constant and integration dx is equal to x. Where to where? So x0 to x. Friends, here we substitute the upper limit and lower limit. Look here. First of all, now we take instead we can write down upper limit v. So we get v square by 2. And after instead we can write down lower limit v0. So v square minus v0 square by 2. And right hand side a as it is. First of all, upper limit instead x we can add x means x, and after lower limit means x minus x0. This 2 is moved right hand side. So we get v square minus v0 square is equal to 2a x minus x0. This v0 square is moved right hand side. So its sign is positive when it is moved right hand side. So we get v square is equal to v0 square plus 2a x minus x0. This is equation number 3rd. So friends, equation number 1st, 2nd and 3rd are equation for uniformly accelerated motion. Friends, the advantage of this method is that can be used for the motion with non-uniform acceleration also. Friends, you prepare this question. It is very important for us.